Hey y'all. They're trying to say the left is trying to say that the immigrants, is what they call them, they're illegal aliens, in Springfield, Ohio, weren't the claims that they're eating pets is unfounded. Google it. Google Haitians eating cats, or Haitians eating dogs, or Haitians eating animals. I just watched over a dozen videos, sickening videos. The least graphic one I saw was Bosnians spit roasting a dog. It's not just Haitians, it's illegal aliens. Um, how can you prove it's in the U.S.? This was in a suburban neighborhood. That one was. The person who filmed it was a neighbor. It's disgusting. I'm an animal lover, okay? I'm also a hunter, but I don't hunt dogs. I don't hunt cats. Yeah, I've dealt with my fair share of them in the past, but I've never eaten one, to my knowledge. There was this restaurant outside of Fort Hood that got shut down because they found cat carcasses in the dumpster of the Chinese restaurant. Um, After that, we called it the Kitty Paw Cafe. So I'm sure I probably have unknowingly, but I would never do it knowingly. So if you've been in the military and ever gone anywhere, or even if you just stayed in the U.S., there's a good chance that you've been around a military post that has a large population, like of foreigners, foreign born, that have brought their traditions, and I'm putting quote marks around that, to the U.S. One of those traditions, I mean, Southeast Asia, they were known for eating dogs and all that. Vietnam and Korea, it's just, yeah, it's part of their culture. Okay, this is a bit of a rant, but leave that culture over there, okay? Don't be bringing it to my country. When you come to our country, if you do it legally, there's nothing wrong with being proud of your heritage, but you're supposed to assimilate. I mean, go back and read through the decades, the centuries, what presidents have said about coming to America. My family, has been here for a long time. They assimilated. My family has been here since before this was a country, but they assimilated, with the other cultures. If you're not born an American, you can become an American. And by becoming an American, you assimilate. So, anyway, that's all I've got. Till next time, I'm out Victoria Karam. Stay safe out there.